Hi, Vail Fucci here, your go-to gear gal for all things photography. Today, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how in Photoshop to take your headshots from this to this. We're talking about removing those unsightly softboxes that may be in your headshots. All right, well, I'm going to delete this layer and show you how we go about doing this. Okay, so what I usually do is I go and take my polygonal lasso tool here, and I will select. I won't select right on the very edge of it because I want to actually have a little bit for it to work with so that it does a nice blend. I'll come along the edge here, come around. Okay, then I'm going to make sure that this is on add to my selection so I can just do it all in one fell swoop. I'll select around here, make sure that that wrinkle in my fabric is included in my selection because I want to get rid of that as well. Okay, now I have the things I want to get rid of selected. I'm going to go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. Doing it this way, I'm going to have more control over what it's going to select. So we can see that already it's actually done quite a nice job in the little preview here. But say it hadn't, say it had picked a little bit of her hair or other things in there, I'll show you how to make sure that the selection is picking from exactly what you want. So you'll make sure that the brush is selected, you'll pick minus, and we're going to get rid of any green, because the green is the part that's selecting from and cloning and copying and filling with. And I'm going to get rid of that edge subtly as I go around. Like that. I'll say I need to add some back, just go on the plus, and I can add back. No problem there. All right. Now from here, going over to it, we have where it's going to output these changes to. I can have it either go to a current layer because it's done such a great job. I'm not worried about feathering things in with it there. I could choose a new layer or duplicate layer. The times when I'd be doing that, if it was duplicate layer, it's going to copy the entire thing of this, still leaving my base original there, versus if I do new layer, only this part that I have gotten and selected and made for it to fill is what we'll make on a new layer. So, like I said, I typically just go for current layer, but say you're one of those people who likes to have all your changes saved in each different layer, we will do that. So for right now, we'll just do new layer, and I will hit OK. And then I'll hit Command D, and there we go. We can see that it's all been taken away. I can just go like that, turn it off and on of those layers, or if I wanted to, I can just go layer and flatten my image and keep it all into one layer there. And that's how you get rid of the unsightly softboxes. Now I've got a nice smooth background. Thanks very much. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.